Stop scrolling right now. This is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, that legendary crest glowing in the dark. Those razor-sharp LED headlights staring you down like they own the road. This isn't a car. It's a promise of pure, unfiltered adrenaline. You ready? Because once this starts, you won't look away. Key in, turn it. Listen to that. The 4.0-liter naturally aspirated beast wakes up. 518. Horsepower, screaming to over 9,000 RPM with zero turbo lag. Zero mercy. That howl? It's not engineered. It's alive. Carbon fiber hood up. Pure motorsport DNA staring back at you. No fluff. Just performance that hits you in the chest. Zoom in on those tires. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Sticky as hell, begging for grip. Massive carbon ceramic brakes. Glowing red hot under the vents. Stopping power that'll slam you. Forward like a fighter jet. Now the dash lights up. Tach needle jumping, speedo climbing. Every rev feels personal. This is analog driving in its final glorious form, before everything goes electric.
Here we go, launch!
0 to 60 in 3.0 seconds flat. Feel that shove? Now the high-speed test. Wind ripping past. Swan-neck wing slamming. Downforce, over 2,800 pounds pinning it to the tarmac. Active aero flipping. DRS opening on straights for insane top-end speed pushing toward 184 miles per hour. Rear axle steering making it pivot like it's on strings. Lightweight everything, around 3,200 pounds. Curb turns corners into pure ecstasy. This thing doesn't drive. It attacks. And when you finally lift off, that flat six Wail echoes like it's thanking you for the ride. In a world full of screens and silence, the GT3 RS screams, real driving isn't dead yet. Heart racing? Goosebumps? Good, that's the point. If you're still here, and I know you are, smash like. Tell me in the comments, what's your dream track for this monster? Subscribe now because the full ride is just getting started. Let's go chase Redline together.